सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज हम लोग के साथ बात करेंगे जुपिटर वैगन्स शेयर रैली 10%, रेल टेल आर्कन राइट्स गेन, व्हाई रेलवे स्टॉक आर रेसिंग टुडे। दोस्तों डिस्कस करेंगे जुपिटर वैगन्स शेयर्स रेल 10%, रिटेल आर्कन्स राइट्स गेन, व्हाई रेलवे स्टॉक आर रेसिंग टुडे। इस बारे में आप लोगों के साथ आज डिस्कस करेंगे अच्छी से। और आप लोगों ने देखा रेल stock were firmly in focus on Wednesday, January 14 as several railway PSU and railway link stock are experiencing a sharp buying interest. Share of Jupiter Wagons Railtel Corporation Icon International rights surge during intraday trade, lifting the railway stock. Rail Corporation share saw early pressures after news emerged that the Bihar Education Project Council cancelled order worth raised 609.56 crore. The stock fell up 2.5% in early trade. However, Railtel share price recovered sharply and at 1:30 p.m. the PSU stock was trading 2.7 higher at just 349.30 per share. Despite the today rebound, retail shares are down about 4.5% over the last 5 trading sessions. Jupiter Wagons share price today. Jupiter Wagons share were the top performance in the sector at around 1:30 p.m. Jupiter Wagons share price was trading at just 332.15, up 10.52% for the day. Brokerage firm systematic maintenance a buy rating on the stock with a revised target price of Rs 360 in it is the report. Systematic says Jupiter Wagons Ltd continue to focus on its core freight wagon business, which was historically delivered steady margin expansion at EBITDA and PAT level. The brokerage expected revenue to double and EBITDA to turn positive in financial year 2070. Icon share price today. Icon International share were also in focus on Wednesday. Icon share price was trading at just 165.14 per share, up 1.78% on the BSC. The stock gained after the company announced the appointment of Sesorial Foreign Branch Editor for financial year 2025 to 2026. After the approval from the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, the update supported the stock. Right share price today. Right share posted healthy gain, rising 2.91% to trade at just 233.25 per share. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो ब्रोकरेज IDBI कैपिटल इन एटलीस्ट कवर से रिच रिपोर्टेड लाइवली फेड, और जो परफॉर्मेंस के Q2 रिजल्ट जो फाइनेंशियल 2026 मार्जिनली ईयर ऑन ईयर ग्रोथ. Right is currently focusing on the executing a large young order book of Rs 87 billion as Q2 financial year 2026. IDB has the largest price of Rs 281. Thank you.